Welcome to my kitchen. We're doing an easy dinner because you know what? It is freezing cold. It's colder than a witch's Tenebras bra outside. Yeah. So anyway, we are going to make Crescent chili dogs. And I'm going to show y'all what we need. Okay, what we need are Crescent Rolls. We need cheese, hot dogs. I buy the hot dogs in bulk and I split them up into 6. Onion, Wolf Brand chili, and an oven heated at 375. What we're going to cook the Crescent Rolls on, I'm using just the Great Value. And I've got 2 of them out. I know I've got 6 hot dogs, but it's 4 and 4 is what I'm going to be able to make out of these. So anyway, I'm going to flip it all around and show you how to put it together. A lot of people don't know this, but I'm going to tell you. You know, aluminum foil has 2 sides. One side is dull and one side is shiny. Well, the shiny side does what? It brings in heat. Okay? The dull side deflects heat. Nobody knows that. A lot of people don't. So if you want to cook something, you cook shiny side up because it absorbs the heat into your meal. If you want to deflect the heat, you put it flat side out. So if y'all ever see me do it like this, that's the shiny side. That's why. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to spread out my Crescent Rolls and I'm going to pinch them together.
I said I loved you, but you let go.
Yes, we need to cut them in 4, but we're going to keep 2 together.
I waited for
squares
hours,
or rectangles, whatever you want to call it.
You were
I'm going to add cheese. We're going to split the cheese in half so then
that's
way
all I
it'll
held
cover
on
the hot
to,
dog.
but you let go. We met over coffee on 17th Street. As easy as that when 2 souls meet.
I'm kind of OCD. I have to have things facing me. I don't know why I do this, but I have to spin it. Anyway, you know, I was gonna put the onions inside of this, but I forgot. Some of my roommates don't like onion, so there I go spinning around again. But I pressed the hot dogs together. I mean the Crescent wrap together. If you notice there, I'm kind of squeezing it in my hand, so then that way it'll do. And I do 2 of them, but the last, like, 2 rectangles I split up and I make actual Crescent Rolls. And that's what I do with those, so that is how I do that. Say, Julie, why didn't you just do hamburger bun or hot dog buns? Well, I would have if I had them. But this was the next alternative. My mom did this when I was younger, I think. If not my aunt, one of my aunts did it. And they turned out pretty good. I actually like it like this better than the other way. Even though I didn't eat much of the bread, I ate the hot dog and the chili and the cheese and the onion on it. You'll see here in a little bit. Go, because I just cannot stand a dirty kitchen. think everybody knows how to cut an onion, but I dice it up here and I do it smally. Smally. That isn't even a word, is it? I dice it up small. There we go. And everybody knows how to do chili. You open the can, you put it in there. You can do any kind of chili that you want. I didn't show y'all all the whole taping of the chili because everybody knows to open it. You can put it in the microwave. I did it on the stove just because I think it tastes better. It gets hotter on the stove. So you can do whatever you want. See, there's a can of chili. I use Wolf brand, no beans. Who wants beans in their chili? Unless it's homemade. And that, my friends, is dinner. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all try it. You can put relish or anything you want on it. Anyway, y'all have a good night. Talk to you later. See ya, bye.